In this video, I'll be showing you what to do or a couple of things you can do to try and fix a problem with your Galaxy A27 not connecting to Wi-Fi. So if you have that problem of your Galaxy not connecting to Wi-Fi, here's a few things you can do. One, you can simply go to the quick settings panel and then turn Wi-Fi off and then turn it back on again. And maybe it just needed a soft reset of the connection to work properly. Now, if that still doesn't work, then you can go back to the Wi-Fi settings page, long press on the Wi-Fi icon, and then hit details to open up the Wi-Fi page. Now, go to the Wi-Fi network you're trying to connect to and try to forget it, okay? If you're currently connected to it and it's not having internet, then you can try to forget and reconnect afresh. Now, if it's one of these ones, then you can go to the three dots in the top right corner, select Advanced Settings, and then under Advanced Settings, go to Manage Networks, and then you can delete a specific Wi-Fi network. For instance, if it's this one, tap on it, and then tap on Forget, and then it's going to get completely unpaired from your phone. And then now you can go and try to connect it afresh. So you go back to the Wi-Fi settings page, and then find that Wi-Fi network and try to connect it afresh and see if it's going to connect. Now, if it doesn't connect or it refuses to connect to the Wi-Fi network, it could be one of two things. One, the password could have been changed. So it's important to ask with the relevant people if the password was changed. If it was changed, if you forget and try to reconnect with the old password, it's not going to connect. It's going to tell you it's the wrong password. Now, something else you could do is just restart your phone. So just go to the power menu and restart your phone. Sometimes this fixes more problems than you'd think. Now, if you restart your phone and you're still having problems connecting to your Wi-Fi network, then you might want to go and try to restart your Wi-Fi router itself. So the problem could be on the Wi-Fi router. So go ahead and restart the router. And also, you can use another device to check if that Wi-Fi network actually works. So you try to connect to another device, maybe another phone or your PC, laptop, or your smart TV, anything else, and just check if the Wi-Fi network actually works. Now, if it does work and the problem is on your phone not connecting, then there's one last thing you could do, and that is resetting all network settings. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then under general management, go to reset. If you scroll down, you will see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So you can tap on that and then confirm by tapping on reset settings. Now this is going to unpair your phone from all Wi-Fi settings, all Wi-Fi connections or Wi-Fi networks and all Bluetooth networks. So then you can now start connecting to your Wi-Fi afresh. This is going to reset everything, including the Wi-Fi settings. Maybe there's a specific Wi-Fi setting that was preventing you from connecting to the Wi-Fi network. So that should fix your problem. I hope one of this was useful. Thanks for watching and good luck.